Hey guys, Tony here. We just had a huge, massive buy order for Shiba Inu that took us straight to 31 microcents. Absolutely insane. I didn't actually think we were going to do this for possibly another day or so. Let me see if I can find Shiba USD on Coinbase. Right? You guys see that huge order. I mean, I didn't do any TA on this, but I already had my chart set up. You broke that 29 microcent level. As of right now, oh man, look at that. Look at that. You actually just created that bull trigger on the daily, 7 hours to close. You're still bullish on the 4 hour. This is absolutely insane. I think as of right now, if we do manage to close above this 31 microcent, around 32 microcent level, especially with this daily trigger here in the next 7 hours or so, I think this is gonna take us straight to 59 microcents, and I think Shiba Inu can definitely double from here. You guys can see the continuation of the sell limits actually hitting right now, right? So you can see that huge wick, and you can see the continuation of sell limits getting triggered right here. That's why you see the price fluctuate so much. But as of right now, I did expect a move like this. I did not expect it till after the bull trigger on Shiba Inu was hit. So this is some crazy good moves on Shiba Inu. I think we're still gonna keep running. You guys already know I have about $500 million worth of Shiba Inu. More than likely, if other things run, I'm probably just gonna buy more. But super awesome that you had that big push on Shiba Inu right now. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.